The new Marus 2.0 is the result of a complete redesign. A dive watch that combines durability with clean, functional design. The dial has been reworked to take legibility to a new level. Wider hour markers with two-tone luminova ensure strong contrast in daylight and clear visibility in the dark. The hands have also been extended and widened and are filled with luminous material. A colored second hands add visual clarity for precise timekeeping. The bezel is now significantly broader and more tactile, with larger engraved numerals filled with luminova, making the dive scale easy to read even in complete darkness. The stainless steel case has been optimized in shape. With a shorter lug-to-lug distance, it wears more comfortably and appears slimmer on the wrist. Brushed and polished surfaces alternate harmoniously. A functional highlight is the screw-down crown with a red safety indicator. If the crown isn't fully screwed in, a red ring becomes visible, a clear reminder that water resistance may be compromised. A special detail can be found on the case back, the fine engraving of a whale. It symbolizes strength and calm of the ocean and gives the watch a subtle maritime character. The new metal bracelet integrates seamlessly into the case. It can be resized without tools and swapped out in seconds thanks to built-in quick-release system. It is also fully compatible with the bracelet from our Marion model. Inside, the Marus 2.0 features the reliable Seiko NH35 automatic movement. The date display has been enlarged by 20% to improve readability in comparison to the first Marus. The Marus 2.0 is available in two distinctive variants. One with a black dial and a colorful Bauhaus-inspired accent, and another with a deep green dial and bronze-colored PVD-coated case, a nod to classic dive watches of the past. At STERNGLAS, we've created a dive watch that stands out through refined functionality, solid construction, and a timeless aesthetic, ready for everyday wear, outdoor use, and underwater exploration.